Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about the recent controversy that's been going around Alpha, and it's pretty funny, but it's really sad that some people just refuse to give up, despite of the fact that things are not working in their favor. And yes, you heard it right. I'm talking about Alia Bhatt. See, please help this message reach her because she's in great trouble. She's in so much of trouble. It is said that you have to be persistent in life. You have to try again one more time, one last time, but that's not how it should go. This message is to Alia Bhatt ki please give up. Don't try so much. Please give up. Because if you keep going on this track, bro, what's gonna happen is ultimately your life is gonna be hell. What you need to do now is just go underground because see, the recent times have been really really insightful for the people and लोगों को पता चल रहा है कि बॉलीवुड ने किस हद तक हमको बेवकूफ़ बनाया है इतने साल. And I'm talking about all the eras, including 90s and before that. The amount of logic that Bollywood carries is equivalent to your subconscious, जो हमारे दिमाग में चलती है ना, imagination. It's just that level of logic. Okay, so in the recent times we have also got to know how talentless these people are. Like after Aditya Dhar has set the bar so high with Dhurandhar, लोगों के काम करना चालू किया है और लोगों को समझ में आया कि YRF यशराज ये लोग मतलब किस हद तक बेवकूफ़ बना रहे थे हमको आज तक. मतलब इनके कॉन्सेप्ट्स, इनकी स्टोरीज, इनका थीम लाइन, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट सो अनरियलिस्टिक. एंड व्हाट आर दीज पीपल डूइंग दैट दे आर ट्राइंग टू सेल यू द कंसेप्ट ऑफ बेस्ट. ऐसा नहीं होता है भाई. रिलेटिबिलिटी नाम की कोई चीज़ होती है. आपकी लीड कैरेक्टर्स इंडियन है, आपकी कर्मभूमि इंडिया है, एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू सेल द कंसेप्ट ऑफ बेस्ट. हाउ कम वो चीज़ें वहाँ पे चलती है और वहाँ पे एडमायरेबल है. पीपल डोंट वांट इट टू बी प्लेड हियर. यही सब बेच के आज तक हमको बेवकूफ़ बनाया. इसलिए यहाँ से जो इंडिया का यूथ है, दे आर लूजिंग इट फ्रॉम हियर. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट रीसेंट टाइम्स हैव हेल्प देम have more control over their thought process and their choices. Talking about Alia Bhatt, some people are feeling pity about her, but she is not worthy of it. You know why? Because this woman has been responsible for the griefs and the tears of so many people, doing all the kind of lobbying, snatching their work and whatnot. To the people who say that she is a good actor, indeed she is a good actor, but somebody whose work she stole, who has worked for years now, more than a decade to get there, would have acted 10 times better than you. That's what I want to say. And if you don't give up now, my friend, your life is going to be miserable. So just give up. Don't try to be relevant everywhere because you're not anymore. People are not fool. They understand the crux behind the bars, you know, that you're trying to hide it from people. People are no longer idiot. They think with their brains and not just eyes and what is visible on the layer.